Hello everyone. This is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be looking at how to use ing verbs. Let's get started. In this lesson about the ing form in English, we will see its formation and use. Example, playing, living, washing. What is the purpose of ing in English? The English ing is used for the English gerund and for the present participle. That's why the gerund and the present participle are called ing form. However, there are differences between the two. Ing is mainly used to talk about activities. Number one, use as the subject of a sentence. Flying makes me nervous. Flying makes me nervous. Eating fast food is bad for your health. Eating fast food is bad for your health. Number two, use as a complement. Use as a complement. He likes playing soccer. He likes playing soccer. I love watching anime. I love watching anime. I enjoy reading books. I enjoy reading books. Number three, use as an adjective. It's disgusting. It's disgusting. This TV program is interesting. This TV program is interesting. It's discouraging. It's discouraging. She is boring. She is boring. My job is tiring. My job is tiring. Running water. Running water. Use as a name. Use as a name. A wedding. A wedding. A painting. A painting. For activities. For activities. Swimming. Swimming. Surfing. Surfing. Fishing. Fishing. Skateboarding. Skateboarding. Traveling. Traveling. Reading. Reading. We can use it with while or by. We can use it with while or by. I listen music while going to the supermarket. I listen music while going to the supermarket. He reads a book while watching TV. He reads a book while watching TV. You should find it by using internet. You should find it by using internet. Use after a preposition. Use after a preposition. I'm interested in teaching French to foreigners. I'm interested in teaching French to foreigners. He's good at playing video games. He's good at playing video games. Number eight, with the progressive form of a verb. Present progressive, I am watching TV. Present progressive, I am watching TV. Present perfect progressive, I have been watching TV. Present perfect progressive, I have been watching TV. Past progressive, I was watching TV. Past progressive, I was watching TV. Past perfect progressive, I had been watching TV. Past perfect progressive, I had been watching TV. Future progressive, I will be watching TV. Future progressive, I will be watching TV. Future perfect progressive, I will have been watching TV. Future perfect progressive, I will have been watching TV. Number nine, after some phrasal verbs. After some phrasal verbs. I look forward to hearing from you soon at the end of a letter. I look forward to hearing from you soon at the end of a letter. He wants to give up smoking. He wants to give up smoking. Number 10, compound names. Compound names. Bird watching. Bird watching. A swimming pool. A swimming pool. A developing country. A developing country. Shaving cream. Shaving cream. Good looking. Good looking. A washing machine. A washing machine. A driving lesson. A driving lesson. A frying pan. A frying pan. A sleeping bag. A sleeping bag. Number 11, after some expressions. After some expressions. Can't stand, can't help, don't mind, it's no use, slash, good, be, plus worth. Can't stand, can't help, don't mind, it's no use, slash, good, be, plus worth. He couldn't help falling in love with her. He couldn't help falling in love with her. I can't stand being late for the movie. I can't stand being late for the movie. I don't mind waiting for her. I don't mind waiting for her. It's no use. Good lying to her. It's no use. Good lying to her. It might be worth visiting the park at night. It might be worth visiting the park at night. Or expressions that end with a preposition. Or expressions that end with a preposition. There's no point in driving to the party. The road is jammed. There's no point in driving to the party. The road is jammed. In spite of missing the plane, she arrived on time. In spite of missing the plane, she arrived on time. What about having dinner now? What about having dinner now? Number 12, after no, to express the prohibition. After no, to express the prohibition. You may have already seen those signs. You may have already seen those signs. No smoking. No smoking. No parking. No parking. No skateboarding. No skateboarding. No littering. No littering. How the verb and ing is formed in English. The ing can be added to the verbal base. Be, being. Do, doing. Want, wanting. Ski, skiing. Call, calling. Read, reading. Say, saying. Verbs that end in a silent E, lose it if you add an ing. Love, loving. Come, coming. Make, making. Dance, dancing. Have, having. Move, moving. If the verb ends in ie, it must be replaced by ing. Die, dying. Tie, tying. Lie, lying. If the verb ends in consonant, vowel consonant, and is fully accented, or at the end consonant must be doubled and ing added. Begin, beginning. Stop, stopping. Sit, sitting. Get, getting. Plan, planning. Run, running. If the accent is not on the end, simply add ing. Happen, happening. Listen, listening. Open, opening. Visit, visiting. If the verb ends in W, X, or Y, we simply add ing. Play, playing. Snow, snowing. Fix, fixing. Spy, spying. Spray, spraying. Beware of verbs ending in C. There are not many of them. Panic, panicking. Mimic, mimicking. So, this video ends here about how to use ing verbs. Thanks for watching.